Here is the new BPS-MOBILE. This thing is a bit of a project. It's going to be a heck of a detailing project and a restoration project. So we've got some peeled up paint. It's pretty bad. This front lip, I already actually started working on it. This part was already gone. I've gotten the centerpiece most of the way off, and then I already removed this piece. It's sitting over here. It was pretty much destroyed. You can see the bottom of it. It's like cracked. Yeah, it was toast. It's pretty dirty too. Headlights need restored. It's got 129,000 miles on it. It's a Matrix 2003 Matrix XRS. So it's got the 2ZZ motor in it, which if you're a gearhead, you might know about that. It was made by Toyota and Yamaha. So it's revs to like 8,200 or more RPMs. And it's got this VVTi thing. It's like VTEC, but it kicks in at 6,200 RPM. So this is a rev happy 6-speed manual car. It's actually pretty fun. I don't think a whole lot of people really know about them. So I already got started on this steering wheel, but that was there's like twice as much as that all along the top of the steering wheel. Like, just nasty. So I can't handle it. I got to get that done ASAP. I already bought some new floor mats. These are the cut to fit WeatherTechs that you can get at Costco for like $30. And they're awesome. Like they'll fit pretty much anything. But yeah, there's just some grime from it being 17, 18 years old and not being really thoroughly detailed. There's a few little things wrong with it here and there. The radio doesn't work at all. It doesn't power on at all. So I've checked the fuses and nothing yet so far, but I haven't even pulled it out of there. Like, I literally just got this thing today. And then the power outlet down there doesn't work. Some more grime. You can see just grime, deep grime. So I'm gonna attack all of that and hopefully make some good content on it. And then these seats need some work too. You can see there's some staining in there. Yeah, there's more of the same back here. More of the same. A lot of the paint's in actually decent shape, surprisingly good shape, but it's peeling on the front and it's peeling on the back, down on this bumper there. Yeah, they've got this bumper cover which looks good still, so that's nice. I'll keep that. It's the XRS model. Just things here and there need some work. And it's a bit dirty still. Yeah, there's more paint chipped off. So my plan for this is actually to sand down everywhere where the paint's chipping off, and then my plan is to plasti dip all of the paint matte white, and then I'm gonna do the wheels in matte black. I just like that look. I think red's not my thing, and the paint looks horrible. And I'm a professional auto detailer. I can't be rolling around with a car with paint like that. So And it'll show people, if they want to get plasti dip work done, it'll be a good example piece. And then I'll do a video on the headlights, polishing those out. See if I can get them back to looking like brand new. I'm going to put new LED bulbs, highs and lows, and plan on getting some. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to get new fog lights or just put LED bulbs in these ones. They don't look too bad or anything. They're just kind of basic. But I'm leaning towards getting new ones with some like circular LEDs or something to make it look cool. Yeah, that's the new car. That's the master plan. So hopefully I can get a lot of good content on it. And yeah, look forward to bringing those videos. So let me know what you'd like to see. What detailing projects or restoration projects you're most interested in, and I'll do my best to get on it. Thanks for watching.